Hi, it's Nick Kaiser with Mustache Approved Remodeling. I'm going to be showing you how to utilize our remodeling cost estimator to get a ballpark figure for your up and coming bathroom project. So take a look here. The first thing you want to do is get on the page and scroll down to the before you start section right there. Grab a tape measure and do some quick measurements. So the first thing you want to measure is the size of the room. So that will give you the square footage. So you measure the length times the width, and that will give you the total square foot. And then you want to figure out your shower and the linear feet. So, typical hall bath shower is going to be in the 3 foot to 5 foot range, and your typical long shower is going to be in the 9 foot to 3.5 foot size. So even if you have a tub there, you're going to want to figure out that length. So just measure from wall to wall in front of the tub in the shower. That'll give you your length, and that gets a good way to start. So then with that said, you scroll down and you have those numbers written down. You're going to go into the calculator itself. Now this is a multi-room calculator. You can measure your whole house at once, or not measure, but calculate. So for this purpose, we want to do the guest bath, but you can see we can, easy as just a click, to go into those rooms. So we are going to start with a guest bath, and you will scroll down after you pick that room and hit the next customize your rooms button in the orange there, and you can see guest bathroom right at the top. Select all that apply, and full projects, that is the full project section. Now there's only two because there's not too many huge guest baths. They're usually in this ballpark right here, this size. A small 40 to 45 foot, square foot is like a 4 or 5 foot by 8 foot bathroom. Let's click on that, and then you scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see the get your estimate button there in orange. Click on that and you will get an estimate right there. It gives you a ballpark. Now that covers materials, labor, site prep, trash removal, taxes, everything. You also see a financing available box there, and it will give you, as you add projects and whatnot, you can see where for that price where you're going to be starting, and kind of the average area that you would be for financing. Then you see, if you look down below here, you can see some buttons. Below that orange button is a go back to edit. You can hit that, and you can undo that full guest bath if you want to see some a la carte section area. That is, you can do single areas. Now this would be if you want to get rid of your tub and just do your tub shower area. That's a tub to shower conversion, so it just becomes a shower and no tub, and you can hit estimate and it'll give you a good ballpark price for that. You can go back and do as many different options as you like. Let's say you got that little bathroom, single sink, vanity. You can add in the flooring and the painting, and that's still a full bathroom. So it gives you those prices broken down. So that's it for the bathrooms. You can see how many different scenarios you can break down. You can do just the vanity area, you can do the floors in vanity, you can do just the shower, so on and so forth. So anyway, thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions, and good luck with the calculator. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.